Hey guys, this is Matt from Offroad Express. We are on the way to Warsaw, Poland to see a build up on a Ram 1500. It's not a big one, but it's definitely going to be an interesting one. Stay with us and see more. Hi guys, we're here in Dodge Warsaw workshop. As you see, it's a pretty nice workshop, and we're going to be building this Ram 1500. It's a pretty interesting build with rust already on it. You'll see in a minute how it looks like and what part's going to be on it. And the interesting story is where this vehicle is actually going. So the roller cover is already installed on the vehicle. This was a little bit more difficult than usual because this one is equipped with a bed liner, the plastic version, and it had to be cut a little bit for the lock to fit around here. So at the moment it's all done, and all we have to do is just fit the roof rack on the roof, obviously, and then we'll do a little session on the outside. Well, you might not like this wrap on this vehicle. This is like a rust style with the blue thing on it. I don't know. It's you know, it's a personal thing. The lady owner who is going to be driving this vehicle to Africa and through Africa. This is her wish to have this vehicle covered like this. It's obviously to protect it from the scratches and everything like that, but also to make it look a little bit less fancy. The nice thing is that she's driving alone, so it's a solo female trip to Africa. Probably not everyone would do that. We're hoping to see a little bit more shots and maybe some movies that the owner is going to send to us. OFD roof rack is going on top of the vehicle, and you have to remove the headliner in the vehicle. Have a look inside, because the guys here in the workshop's already doing it. Have a look on how it looks like. It's going pretty swift. So you might be wondering why we removed the headliner in this vehicle. It's simply because there's no other way to fit a roof rack to this car except for drilling through the roof and mounting such a platform. This one is going to be holding the platform on top of the roof, and unfortunately only the drilling is pretty easy, but removing the headliner is the most difficult part. And today we've actually seen it being done in, like, I would say 15 minutes. Pretty impressive, to be honest. But yeah, it's already removed and waiting for it to be drilled. Only the drilling is pretty easy.
2 hours later.
The day is over, so we'll see you tomorrow morning. Hi guys, just to follow up from yesterday's evening, the roof nuts are already installed on the roof, and we're about to put the roof rack on it. We will be also trimming those skirts just to keep the factory look on this one. So the roof rack is on top already, and the headliner is being put together. Ratchet straps are pretty useful. Do you think this is the proper way to put tension on them, to put the cable through? Let me know if you have any tips, if you do it any better. And what do you do with this? Do you cut it down or do you tangle it somewhere? Waiting for your tips. So this 50-inch dual LED bar goes under the roof rack on top of the vehicle. Up front, it's probably going to be spot on for the night driving in Africa, I would say. And it comes with a LED strip that does the daily driving lights as well. If you don't want to use it as well, you can just cover it with the plastic. We're waiting for the guys to finish wiring up the light, and that's it. It's almost done. Pretty cool. Oh, nice. Nice. This is good. Like that stuff. You should too. Subscribe. This is it. This is finished. This vehicle is going to get more hardcore tires tomorrow, but with the roof rack and plenty of accessories from OFD, with the roller shutter from OFD and the rough country LED bar. This is ready for Africa. Would you go to Africa in this vehicle? I probably would.